Hello and welcome back to Live Growth with Coach Olafisoye. This is the U project.
We are in week 3, and this week we are talking about renewing the mind, not as one time event, but as a daily practice.
And that phrase sounds very spiritual, but it's very, very practical. So Olafisoye, let me start by asking, what does renewing the mind actually means?
That's a great question. Romans chapter 12, verse 2 says, "Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." I want you to notice something. This verse doesn't say change your circumstances, it says renew your mind.
Which means transformation starts internally, not externally.
Exactly. And renewing the mind doesn't mean pretending bad thoughts doesn't exist. It means learning what to do with them.
Okay, that brings us to something important. You always say renewal is about replacement, not suppression. So can you explain that?
Yes. Many people try to suppress thoughts. Don't think that way. Stop feeling like this. But suppressed thoughts doesn't disappear. They go underground and come back stronger.
Renewal is not about fighting thoughts, but choosing the better ones.
Exactly. You don't empty the mind. You replace what is untrue with what is true. Fear, you replace it with truth. Lie with a new perspective. An old script with a new language.
That sounds intentional. I don't think that's emotional. So okay, which lead us to discipline versus motivation.
Yes. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. If you wait until you feel like renewing your mind, you will do it occasionally. But if it is a discipline, you practice it even on ordinary days.
So renewing the mind is more like brushing your teeth than attending a conference.
That's a perfect analogy. You don't brush your teeth once and say, "I'm done for life," right? You do it daily because you value health.
And the same applies to thoughts. Your daily input, a daily awareness, a daily replacement.
Yes. And the goal is not perfection, it's progress.
Okay, thank you. This is Life Growth with Coach Olafisoye, and this is the heart of the U project.
Renewing your mind is not dramatic, it is consistent.
It is choosing truth again and again and again, even when the old thoughts returns.
And it will return, certainly. But now you know what to do with it.
In the next episode, we will slow this down.
And we will ask, what patterns are actually shaping my thinking every day?
We will see you in the next episode.